It's Saturday, February 9th, 2019, and I'm just giving an update on my yard. I did trim my grapevine. As you can see, it hasn't sprouted yet. It's still too cold, I suppose. I trimmed these little trees along here. My begonias are doing fine. Also trimmed this little crepe myrtle. I wanted to cut it way back and keep it small because it's blocking so much sunlight in the yard. I would like to plant some sunflowers in this area here. And the trees were blocking the sun, so this year I think that is not a marijuana plant, although it looks like it. It's called a cleome, so it makes some nice little flowers. I thought a friend of mine gave me some seeds, and this one is growing, so I thought I would try that. The little vegetable patch, as you can see, I've got lettuce. 3 types of lettuce that have taken. The Merveille, Marvel of 4 Seasons, or whatever that's called, the black-seeded Simpson, the an all-season bib lettuce. Those 3 are really the ones that have done well. My bell peppers back there they've got peppers on them, as you can see. I do have peppers. I've been getting, this is from the fall. This has been growing since the fall. You can see I've got peppers. I've been getting peppers all along here. They're doing fine. The lettuce. And broccoli is starting to sprout heads, so I'm pleased about that. These were planted back, I think, September, October. The cauliflower in front there, I still see no sign of any flowers on those. But the broccoli seems to have sprouted flowers, so I'm pleased. This is a Rutgers Determinant tomato, and I do have a little tomato. There's some tomatoes starting down there. And you can see there's a little tomato down there. I don't know if you can see it. I've been getting tomatoes all winter. We've had a very mild winter. This is some spinach, Bloomsdale long-standing. The broccoli is a Waltham, of course. The bell peppers and the snowball cauliflower. But like I said, nothing's doing right now with the cauliflower. My little herbs are doing okay. We've been having a 2 days of cold weather, and then it goes up to 80 degrees, so it's kind of, the plants don't really know what to do. The hydrangeas are coming back, already starting to bloom here. This little perennial seed strip that I planted has been growing fine, blooming all winter. So that's been really nice to have this color in the yard. I don't know what all these different colors are, flowers are. I think there's calendula, and that's Elysium, but the rest of the things I have no idea what they are. My little navel orange is okay. I need to feed it probably later on in the next week to get it started for the spring. The same thing with the navel orange. I mean, that was a satsuma. This is the navel orange. And I will, like I said, feed it next week, this coming week, and see how that goes. The banana tree doesn't look too pretty, but it's still alive. It's put out some babies down at the bottom, you can see. I've been harvesting green onions, the tops, and they're doing very well. These are peas, green peas, which are pretty, you know, and I've gotten a few pea pods, but not enough to do anything with. You can see the pod here with my hand. This one's, and all I do is I pick them and I just eat them raw because they don't make enough to do anything. I don't know if it's because the weather or I'm just not feeding the thing correctly. I don't know. These are going to be yellow onions. I planted these last fall, so, but I don't see any bulbs yet. This is a Rutgers tomato, the same as that other one. It's starting to turn brown for some reason. I guess I'm not doing something right. This is ready to come off. I guess that can finish ripening inside. These have been terrible. They're just mealy. Come on, here. Just a mealy little tomato. They're not very good at all, and I eat them only because I grew them. I put this one down for a second and pull this one up. Up, here it goes. Okay. So that's what's happening in my yard. I'm going to put in squash. Again, I'm going to try some squash and see how that goes this summer. Hopefully the vine borers won't destroy them all. Okay, that's my little update. Not much happening yet. I have started some seeds inside, cucumbers, squash, some beets, and something else. I can't remember. But like I said, the weather's been up and down temperature-wise. Okay.